Hey, what's up? Amelia here. Let's see what's making news. Well, tonight's the night, Melbourne. From 11:59 p.m, you'll be expected to wear a mask or face covering when you leave the house. Charlotte caught up with some kids to find out how they're feeling about it all.
These guys are all masked up and ready to head outside.
From midnight tonight, you have to wear a mask whenever you go out.
That's right. In an effort to slow the spread of COVID-19, masks will be compulsory for most Melbournians whenever they leave the house.
Now, due to the rise in COVID cases, I definitely feel that they are necessary.
Everyone wears a face mask, then it reduces the chance of people getting COVID-19 from coughing and sneezing.
The virus isn't going to get to me, and if I have the virus, it's not going to spread to anybody.
While kids under 12 don't have to wear one, some are choosing to anyway.
I'm going to wear a mask because it keeps me safe.
Obviously, these little bits of material have been flying off the shelves, and while factories are working hard to meet demand, others are getting creative by making their own.
This is my face mask. It was made by my grandparents. It looks really cool.
You put it on without touching the inside because that would remove the usefulness of a mask.
It's a double-sided mask, so you can just go like, whoop, now you wear the other side, woo, and you can still hear me. But yeah, my mum's not happy with that because I talk too much.
The Victorian Premier says he hopes everyone adds a mask to their daily routine so things can improve and, in time, get back to normal.
I hope this ends soon because I don't really want to stay at home for much longer.
I think we're going to have to get used to wearing face masks because it's not like the coronavirus is going to go away tomorrow. And also, Burner's face warmer. Woohoo!
Monsoon floods in northeastern India are still causing big problems. They've destroyed farmland and forced more than 2.5 million people to leave their homes. It's not the only problem India's facing. More than 1 million people have tested positive for COVID-19, and a new government studies found nearly 1 in 4 people in India's capital, Delhi, have been exposed to the virus. NASA's next mission to Mars is going to include a helicopter on board for the first time ever. But what is it for? And more importantly, can I get a ride?
Oh. Hello, Martian Travel Agency. How may I help you? Yes. Yes. Helicopter flights on Mars? No, that's impossible. It's never been done.
Well, strap yourselves in, because NASA is about to send its first helicopter/flying thing to Mars on board its Perseverance rover. The helicopter's name is Ingenuity, which means creative, original, clever. You're starting to describe me now.
Ingenuity helicopter on the Perseverance rover is one of the most exciting aspects of the mission because this will be the first time we demonstrate flight on another planet.
Are you saying they're flying helicopters on Mars now? Or can I book a flight?
Well, no, we're not there yet.
Oh, space rocks.
The helicopter is, as NASA puts it, only a technology demonstration. There are a few things to iron out first, including how best to handle the planet's freezing temperatures and the super low air pressure. The helicopter will also have to get all of its energy from the sun, which means flight times of just a few minutes. It's set to hitch a ride on board the Perseverance at the end of the month.
Oh. Hello, Martian Travel Agency. A robotic rover? Why, yes, we can do that.
Speaking of space, we're all trying to keep our own at the moment, and that inspired us to create this next segment, The Space Between Us. It's better. Going to the movies can mean getting a bit too close to strangers and their annoying popcorn crunching. But not when the cinema is a floating one. This fabulous creation in Paris is giving film fans plenty of space and hopefully not too much seasickness. If there's one thing you want when you're getting a haircut, it's a good hairdresser. But also, a bit of fresh air would be nice. At least according to these guys in California, who have taken their barbershop outside to give their clients some extra space and plenty of sunshine. And luckily, there's a lot of space between us and this comet. 103 million kilometres, in fact. Comet C/2020, also known as Neowise, was discovered by NASA's Space Telescope back in March. But this close encounter over Switzerland might be one of the last. The comet won't be back for 6,800 years. Now, if you don't want to put too much space between this episode and the next one you see, then you better hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on seeing a BTN news break. Thanks for watching.